The new model WLS100PE is a fully automatic high-speed metal circular saw with a linear feed design, equipped with imported brand electrical components and hydraulic parts. Machine weight, 5,000 kilograms. Size, diameter 360 by 40 by 2.6. This machine integrates both manual and automatic functions, with a maximum single feed length of 800 millimeters and a feed speed of up to 350 millimeters per second. It is equipped with oil mist lubrication cooling, a 2.2V4P oil pump motor, and a servo motor for precise control of speed and position. The operating system can monitor the working conditions of all components and display cutting speed and efficiency. For a diameter of 65 millimeters, the material cutting time is 6.3 per second. The WLS100PE will take your business to new heights.